Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage. Got the crazy hair going because we're about to throw on a helmet. It is another autocross. We are doing it with the PCA this time, the Porsche Club. And it should be pretty fun. So, about to grid up right now. We are in the Audi and see how this thing does. I put this stock intake back on the car. I'll kind of show you the one that I took off right here. This Arma Speed carbon fiber intake right here. Because as you can see, this little area right here, this is where it's supposed to take cold air and shoot it right into here. But we're missing a piece because this car is the facelift model, which has a different front grille. And this company didn't make this intake for the facelift. So it's basically for 2016 HVs and prior. But you can see it's really nice. It's all carbon fiber. I even have a carbon fiber piece for here, but it just doesn't fit. So I'm hoping that that helps out with some of the heat soak, because as you can see in that area, it was missing the front piece. It's because that intake is built for 2016s and prior, whereas the 2017 and up are facelift models, so it's a bit different. So I had to change that up, but yeah, can't wait to go out there and see if the car does a little bit better, because last weekend it did pretty good, but the brakes were getting real hot, so see how it goes. So first run of the day, we're gonna get 4 runs, may do the second half of the day and get another 4, we'll see. The overlays on here, that is the GoPro app, and this is the GoPro Hero 5. I'll put a link down below, and I'll put a link to my video as well on how to do that, because I know people were asking me last time. Also, loving the new sparkle gloves. They're sick because you can use touchscreens, which is very nice. See how the brakes do this time. Also changed that intake, so that should help quite a bit.
Ready?
Yeah. Quicker, by the way, which feels great. Little too hot there, little too hot there, but it's okay.
Audi gets a rerun.
Damn.
Hold the start.
That's a bummer.
Rerun 2, the clock's messed up, so pull around to the left.
Alright. So, I felt like that was actually a pretty good run. But we'll get some heat in the tires and we'll get a good idea of how the car does back to back, I guess. So that was kind of a bummer because I felt like that was pretty good. Did overcook maybe 2 of the turns, but now I know. So I'm gonna have to figure that one out for myself. I don't know. We'll have to throw a timer on that ourselves. I don't know. I'm saying a freaking 37. 36, I don't know, maybe quicker. Car felt really, really quick. It felt really good. I changed that intake and I swear to God, it feels so much better. So, yeah, we'll see. Rerun, still run 1. We're gonna see how it goes. Car felt really good first run, which I usually do best my first run because I get too much heat in the brakes or the car falls off. So, curious to see how it's gonna do.
37,647. 37,647.
Okay, gave the car a little bit too much beans, but that's all right. I probably should have checked tire pressure, actually. I came in a bit too hot on that one, and as you can see, I got quite a bit of oversteer, which was really fun, but not the fastest. That first run was so much better, I know it. So anyways, yeah. So on this one, gonna take the first, I guess the second corner a little bit slower. I just gotta modulate the throttle a little bit more. I came in freaking hot, and
46.
I got a bit sideways. Very fun. Not the fastest. Guarantee my first time was definitely faster. I think this thing has a 36 in it for sure. Beating a ton of these Porsches right now, by the way, which is always cool. However, I am in the fun run group, but we'll see what we get. You know, I'm only on run 2 technically, so people are speeding up a bit, which by the 4th run, you know, a lot of people get a lot faster. Brakes are already looking pretty hot from those 2 runs, but I don't know. We'll see how it is. You know, they got a decent amount of time to cool off, so that was very, very good. Alright, so it's quicker. Car already feels slow, I swear to God. It already feels freaking slow, which is so annoying, so annoying. But anyways, where did I screw up there? So I got on the brakes a little too early on the second one. Had a bit of understeer in that last corner. I just came in too hot, need to brake in a little bit tighter. I just kind of ran really wide, and that probably cost me at least 3/4 of a second. I'm not gonna lie, I think that cost me quite a bit of time right there. Also, I took it more mellow through that cone section. Probably could have gone a little bit faster, I don't know. Just trying to kind of clean it up, we'll see. So next run will be fun, we'll see how it goes. Number 3, I guess, right? Can't even remember now. Run number 3 should be pretty fun. Just got to smooth it out a bit. Hopefully the car's power feels back. I'm really interested on how this intake swap is working. The car does feel a lot better. You can literally hear the power difference. Like you can hear it, how the engine sounds. It makes more of a whine when it's really cutting the power. It like has this real whiny noise. And you can just like really feel it. First run felt amazing on power. Second run felt pretty good. Third run, just falling off a bit. Had the hood open for a while.
Good job, man.
We are getting a decent amount of rest time, so 10 minutes between runs, which is much better than when I run with the SCCA. So the car does feel better on power, don't get me wrong. Tires are not having enough time to get hot, especially with these R compounds. You know, if I was on like some RE71Rs or something like that, it'd be a bit stickier, but it's doing pretty good. Just got to work out that front half right there and see how it goes. I think I can go a little bit quicker this time. I went a little conservative last time in a couple spots, which I could definitely go quicker through. So, yep, let's do it. Brakes got weird. 36.8. See, a whole second faster. That was really good. Thank you, sir. That felt better. In the end, it got weird. I got into ABS or something. This car has a weird like two-stage brake sometimes. Also that one turn I kind of got on the brakes, which I couldn't ask, you know, both things to happen, but I was going a bit wide and I stayed on the brakes, trail braked a little bit too long, which induced a little bit of understeer there as well. But overall, that one was pretty damn good. I was pretty happy with that. Now I can guarantee you, I freaking guarantee you, I guarantee that first run was in the 36s. I freaking guarantee it. So yeah, the car's feeling good, so we'll see how we could do on this last run. It's just going to be my driving on the last one, so we will kind of find out. Having a good amount of cool down time, so the car is really performing a hell of a lot better than it did last weekend at the Sacramento SCCA. Plus, you know, these are about half the amount of time for one run, so we'll see how it goes here in a sec, but it should be pretty good. Feeling good. See how it goes. Okay, felt much better. Much better. Feeling good. Into the ABS a little bit. I know that was good. 36.6. Nice. Thank you. 36.6. I'm feeling really good about that. Like, I am literally 300ths off of, or 3,000ths off of a Z06 Corvette on Hoosier A7s with 650 horsepower. So that feels pretty dang good, I have to say. So all right, guys, so that wraps it up for today. Just ended up doing 4 runs, and it was pretty dang fun. The car did really well. I definitely think that airbox difference made a difference, so may get a different intake in the future. So if anybody wants an Arma Speed intake, full carbon fiber intake, let me know. It's about a $1,200 intake. It's a nice intake, but it doesn't work well on the facelift model because that little front piece does not work. Besides that, it's a great intake. So if you have a 16 and below, great intake. Makes cool noises and all that stuff. But anyways, guys, we'll talk to you soon. Later. Wrench on.